What's going on, guys? SLF Tuning here, and today you're going to be coming with me to prepare my car for winter and a little how-to tutorial on how you guys can do it too. Let's go. Alright, once you get your car set up and ready to go ahead and get your pressure washer or your hose all hooked up. Go ahead and give it a nice rinse down, and we're basically just going to be giving it a car wash. I'm not going to go too much into depth of how to wash your car. That's going to be a separate video that I'm going to make in the summertime when, you know, hand washes are more accessible. But yeah, go ahead and rinse this off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, after you go ahead and rinse it off, you're going to go ahead and get your spray foam cannon. After that, you're just going to go ahead and wipe down everything and really scrub into absolutely every part of the car. Just because you want it nice, you want it to be sitting for winter. You don't want any of that old bird poop or anything to harden up and possibly affect your paint or just be a really big pain in the butt to get off when summertime comes back around. But go ahead and absolutely scrub everything. The wheels, the windows, the paint. So after you get it all nice scrubbed, everything like that, I'd even recommend popping open your gas cap. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Just make sure you give that a quick wash. Just a quick wash, and then the rest of your car, really dig into there with your pressure washer. Also, one more little thing, make sure you're spraying under your car too as you go around it. Just to, you know, in case you got any gunk under there. Just wash it off. I know you didn't see it when I was in the back, but I did it under. The back is definitely the easiest way to get it. And after you're done with that, the last step is, for the washing part at least, last step is going to be just drying it off. After you've dried it off, last step, go ahead and start the car and just let it idle for a while, and then I will let you know how the proper way is to store it. Alrighty, so everything's clean. Look how shiny it looks. I love it. Love having a fresh, clean car. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it in my garage right over here. Let's get a nice little roller. Alright, so quality is going to die down significantly because I have the flash on now. But as you can see, this car is extremely messy. This is my daily in the summer, so, you know, it's kind of a given. Go ahead and pop your hood up. Look at that engine. Alright, after you pop your hood up, the thing that you want to do here is you're going to want to go ahead and disconnect your battery. Now, you can disconnect positive and ground. Some people just do positive. I'm just going to do both because whatever. But yeah, those are both 10 millimeters. Go ahead and get a 10 mil and go ahead and disconnect that. So another thing that you can do when you store your car, a lot of people do it, they put it on jack stands. I personally don't because, one, this car is really light, but two, I give myself just enough room for my garage to close. My garage closes right there. So I can still move it like a couple inches forward. The reason people put it on jack stands is because you get flat spots on your tires from them sitting for so long. So the thing to do when it's winter time, and listen to this very carefully, this is important. Connect your battery every 2 weeks to a month. Month at absolute max. Usually 2 to 3 weeks is like the sweet spot. Connect it, start your car, let it idle for like 30 minutes. Move forward or backward so that it doesn't get a flat spot on your tires. And then turn it off, let it cool down, disconnect your battery again, rinse, repeat until, you know, the car's ready for the season. And then things to do while your car is being stored. Touch-up paint. Touch-up paint's very important. You know, in case you got any rock chips. I know I have a couple. There's one right there. I know you can barely see it, but one right there. There's a couple on my hood. You know, things like that. Just do things like that. If you want to go crazy, you can even buff your whole car. But main things to keep your car as pristine as possible. 1, the car wash that we just did. 2, disconnect your battery, and if you want to go the extra mile, disconnect it and take it out of the car, bring it inside, put it on a battery tender. Usually I don't. Now for the car, for the bike, yeah, Also, peep the new bike. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be making a lot of content on this. This thing is an Aprilia RS660, as you can see right there. I bought it brand new a couple days ago. I will explain in another video why. But yeah, a lot of modifications coming to this thing soon, so be ready for that. Now back to this. Main things, like I said, battery tender if you want to. Make sure you're rolling your car and starting your car every 2 to 3 weeks so that you don't develop flat spots, or put it on jack stands. Make sure you still start it if it's on jack stands. Some people like to flush the oil and then put new oil in there at the end of the season, like now. Some people, like myself, I leave the oil in there and I do a fresh oil change first thing in the season before I even take it for its first drive. Don't drive it on old oil. That's a big no-no. And then other things to do, clean out your car, like mine. Clean it out. Don't be like me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery and we will be good to go. I got the battery disconnected. I actually don't know if that's like a quick disconnect kit or something. That'd be kind of cool. I think I'm going to look into that. If it is and you have one, go ahead and just unplug that. Don't mind all the soap. I missed it. Don't worry about it. But yeah, if that's a quick disconnect kit and you have one on your car, go ahead and take advantage of it. I mean, that's actually really cool. I'm going to look into that more. But yeah, go ahead and disconnect your battery and you are pretty much done. Make sure your doors are unlocked, otherwise you're going to need to use your key. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and it helped you out. And I know it's helped me out in the past watching videos like this, so I hope I explained everything okay. If you guys have any more suggestions or any more things to add in the comments, go ahead and add it for me. And if you have any other questions as well, make sure you ask me. I'm always happy to reply to anyone that has any questions or any comments on, suggestions or just things that they're confused about. So please go ahead and comment or go to my Instagram, SLF Tuning. It'll be in the description down below and you can go ahead and text me on there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are looking forward to the content next year, installations, and all the installs on that thing. But yeah, have a good night, guys.